AI is not the future. It's a race happening now, demanding massive compute, colossal storage and ultra-fast networks. At E&Enterprise, we offer exactly what you need. Our sovereign AI infrastructure has been created exclusively for the UAE, purpose-built to drive national AI ambitions with UAE sovereign infrastructure, local support, operations and management, and local data residence for uncompromising compliance. Choose from GPU as a service, Inference-as-a-Service for real-time AI, or high-density hosting in our data centers to host your demanding AI workloads with high-performance compute, ultra-fast networking, and massive storage. Powering the UAE's AI future with infinite digital potential. Your AI future built today. Connect with us.